The next topic is how to create an assignment in Canvas. First, we're going to add some example for the assignment and also the rubric. Click on Files, and we're going to create a folder, Assignment, and click on Assignment. We're going to click on Upload, and Activity 2, and the rubrics. Select both. So they uploaded to our assignment folder. Click on Home again. Let's click on the assignments. We're going to create an assignment. Click on Assignment. Let's say this. And I'll just copy these requirements here just to save time. Okay. The two things we want, this describe how the students were, based on the requirements, how to create visuals, and we do include in rubrics. So I'm going to go to here, the documents, and click on that. Since we already uploaded our files to the Canvas, I'm going to click on the course document, and here is our rubric. So I'm going to click on the rubric, and then keep the window open and the example, and select example, and close the window. Here we go. So this is the assignment part, and the next is you go scroll down and you want to define the points. Let's say I'm going to make it 100 points. Okay, and it is assignment. It's a display grade as points. Next, we select what type of submission type and click text entry, web, file uploads. So make it available for students to upload. We're going to skip that. These. Sometimes you want an assignment to be a group project. Then you need to select this one and you need to define which group you want. Okay, but since this is just the individual one, I'm going to deselect it. Assign to everyone, then we define the due date. Let's say it is January the 7th, due, available from January the 4th, and until, let's select 8th and click Done, and click Save and Publish. Here's our assignment. You just learned how to create an assignment. Oftentimes, we have several assignments, even within several categories. Even within one category, we have different assignment points. For example, assignment 1, 2 have 100 points max. 3 and 4 have 50 points max. So an easy way is to assign weight to each category. Here is the weight sheets. For the assignments, we assign 30% papers, 20% projects, 35% discussion, 15%. Let's learn how to do it. First, you need to create a group for each of these. Since we already have assignments, we're going to create a group for paper, save, a group for projects, and a group for discussion. Okay, here are the categories we created. Next, we're going to move the assignment under each category. Okay, so far we have moved the assignment under their relevant category. We have assignments, paper, project, and discussion. The next is we're going to assign the weight to each category according to the criteria we defined earlier. Go to the top. Next to the assignment button, there's a menu. Click on that and select the second one, assignment groups weight. And click weight final grades based on assignment groups. This one shows all the assignment you have. Remember, we assign assignment to 30%, paper to 20%, project to 35%, and discussion for 15%. Click Save. Now you should see that assignment has the 30% and the paper has 20% as we designed, project 35%, and discussion 15%. This is how you assign the weights to your category of assignments. Create a quiz in Canvas. To create a quiz in Canvas, you need to go to the left navigation bar and click Quiz. Go to the upper right and click Quiz. Name the quiz Unit 1 Biology Plant. Provide some directions. Please answer the following questions as best as you can. Next, click on the questions to add the questions. Click New Question. We name it Question 1. You can select the format for the question. There are many formats. You can do multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank, and so forth. Let's select multiple choice. Add a question. Let's scroll down and go to the answer part. Air, water, sunlight, all of above. And let's click on this arrow and make it a correct answer for this one. If you can continue to add a new question and follow the same format. Let's just use this one only. Click Save and Publish. There's another way to add a quiz to Canvas. Remember, we use the pages to add videos, learning resources, and introductions to a module. We can also use a page to add a quiz and add it to our module. Let's click on Page and view all pages. Click New Page and we name it Unit 2 Biology Plant. Okay. So for this one, you do need to have a quiz created in a different place, such as Google Form. Okay, and then you're going to embed your quiz here, make it connected to the Canvas. First, let's put some directions. Then next, we're going to embed the external quiz here. Here's my Google Form. We need to get the embedding code from the Google Form. Click on Send. When you click on Send, it has a Send Via. There are several options. The last one is Embed Code. So this is the embed HTML. I'm going to copy. Let's go back to our Canvas. We're going to click on Insert and Embed, and we're going to embed a code here. Click Submit. Here we go. This is the Google Form we imported to the Canvas. Let's save and publish. Creating online discussion forum. Canvas has discussion forum function that is very useful to support teaching and learning. To create an online discussion, click on Discussions. Then click the Discussion New tab. Add a title. Include the direction for discussion and the reading resources. You can include a hyperlink. You can also include a PDF file. Let's go to Document, Course Document, and select a PDF file. Close the window. Now scroll down and to decide whether this is it's graded or not. Let's select yes. Add a point and set up the date. Click Save and Publish. Organize the content with the modules. You can create modules in Canvas to organize the content. Go to the left navigation bar, click Modules. Click the button Module to create a new module. The first module we're going to create is Syllabus. Click Add Module. Now in this part, we're going to put a syllabus. Since I have already uploaded the course syllabus, I'm going to click the plus sign on the right and go to File, select Course Syllabus. Next, we're going to create two modules. The first module is visualization, and the second one is tech integration. Module 1, Visualization. Click Add Module. Since each module contains different materials, they include the introduction to the module, the lectures, assignment, learning activities. So it is useful to create some labels where the learner knows which section has the lecture, which section has the assignment. First, let's add an overview to the module. Since we already create a page called Module 1 Overview, we're going to upload the page here. So let's click on the plus sign in Module 1, select Page, and select Module 1 Overview. The next is we're going to add lecture. Click on the plus sign again. This time, from the Add drop-down menu, select Text Header. I have already uploaded a PowerPoint to the file, so I'm going to add the lecture here. Click here. From the Add menu, select File, select Visual Representation, click Add Item. Next, I'm going to add a learning activity under the Visual Representation PowerPoint. The purpose is to support the lecture so the students can practice with what they have learned. Click the plus sign. In the Add drop-down menu, select Page and select Learning Activity 1. I'm going to add an assignment. So first, let's create a label. Click on the plus sign again. From the Add drop-down menu, select Text Header and write Assignment. Click Add Item. Click the plus sign to add the assignment. From the Add drop-down menu, select Assignment and select Assignment 1. Finally, let's add a discussion so the students can practice after the class. Click the plus sign. From the Add drop-down menu, select Discussion 1 Visualization. Click Add Item. Let's create the next module, Module 2. Name it Module 2, Technology Integration. Click Add a Module. First, click on the plus sign to add a module overview. From the Add drop-down menu, we select the page, Module 2 Overview. Click the plus sign to add select Text Header. We'll name it Lecture. Click Add Item. Click the plus sign to add the lecture. Select File from the Add drop-down menu. Select Technology Integration PowerPoint. For this lecture, we're going to add some images so the students can practice with those images as they learn the technology integration. Click the plus sign. In the file, we already upload several images. Images 1 to 4. Click the image 1, hold the Shift key, and select all the images. Click Add Items. To show that these are the supplementary materials, you can rearrange the image by going to the right and click on that increase indent for all 4 images. Then they will look like supplementary material. Next, we're going to add an activity. Click the plus sign, select Page from the Add drop-down menu. Select Learning Activity 2, click Add Item. Click the plus sign, select Text Header, and write Assignment. Click the plus sign again, select Assignment, and select Assignment 2. Finally, we're going to add a discussion. Select Discussion from the Add drop-down menu. Select Discussion 2, Technology Integration. This is the module we created. To finalize the course development, we need to make the module and the course public. Let's publish each of the items in the module. These are all published. Publish. And then click on Home. We have all the modules published. Now we need to publish the course so the students can access the content. Click Publish. Now this course is published and the students can learn the content. This is the end of tutorial.